Ugh, leftovers. I don't mean what's waiting in your fridge for lunch or a midnight snack. I'm talking about the grease and grime that even the best dishwashers leave behind after every wash. Over time, they can build up, making your dishwasher less efficient and a little unpleasant. Glisten Dishwasher Cleaner penetrates buildup and hard water impurities in your dishwasher's water jets, tubes, and pipes, removing the leftovers piling up in your dishwasher. It even disinfects against harmful bacteria. Using Glisten Dishwasher Cleaner once a month keeps your dishwasher sparkling clean, odor-free, and performing like new. Oh, and not only is Glisten made in the USA, it's approved by the EPA and is safe for all dishwashers, plumbing, and septic systems. Get the leftovers out of your dishwasher with a little help from the machine cleaning experts with Glisten Dishwasher Cleaner and Disinfectant.